Here we go, another day, another dollar. I think we done quite a good job of getting it down. It's been hard. This is my second day and it's 2:30, so it's took quite a while, but the difference is a million times better. You know, it's a lot more reflective. It looks flatter. Like I said yesterday, it's never going to be perfect, but you know, it is a million times better than it was yesterday. Let's get on with the rest of the car. See you soon. Well, that come out a bit better than I anticipated. I'm quite pleased with the result, to be honest. Doesn't look out the way at all. Of course, it's still got ripples. It's polyurethane, but the finish on it, if you remember, it had all them lumps and bumps and bits of rubbish. Now very presentable. Now that's a result. See you on the next bit.